Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March the 15th. Who said it didn't rain in Baja? I thought it was supposed to be sunny and warm. We got clouds and cold this morning. We're leaving soon, like within the next 15 minutes, because we were trying to beat the rain. We're headed to Catavina today, where we will be boondocking. We had a great dinner last night at the restaurant here in Vincent Guerrero. I hope you liked that video. So, we're off again. Sorry for all the road, but that's what it is, a lot of road. We'll have some prettier scenery today. We're gonna go through some cactus and rocks and things like that. I'll keep it short, but hopefully it'll be interesting. All right, stay tuned for more.
They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind, I like the way it feels, no need to set off the alarm. No, see, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh,
We're all getting ready to pull out. There's the lineup so far. We're warming up. We are going past a cemetery, local cemetery. Vincent Guerrero, coming out of the RV park. Now we're pulling over for our lunch break at this little cantina on the side of the road. This is where we stop for lunch. And we're ready to leave again. Parking at Catavina. We're pulling into Catavina, and these are the folks that are still behind us. Here's our site. It's Catavina Dry Camp. And we go around the circle to see where everyone else is. We're still parking people. Probably have 4 more big rigs to fit in this circle. I'll do another video when everybody is in their positions. number 1, our wagon master. Next to them is number 2, the gunners. And we just keep on going around. Keep on going around to see everybody and where they're parked. 23 rigs in our group. Here we go. We made it to Catavina. Dry camping, boondocking for the night. I've been told that these are wild horses. They're coming through camp. Are those your horses? There's a little girl, there's a girl with her dogs running after the horses. I don't think they're wild. I think they got out. Getting ready for dinner. We had margaritas before dinner, and people are lined up. Hi! We got chili and salad and cornbread. And yes, please. Thank you very much. There's mine.
All we're going to get is wind and not the rain. I think that's kind of good.
And we got all kinds of toppings down there and salad dressing. And Carol worked all day.
Oh no! Our pleasure. We all did it. We
all of our leaders did it. Jeff and all the ambassadors.
That goes in Alaska.
Can I get you some salad?
Yes, please. Let me move this out of the way. Thank you very much. Well, we made it, and we're all parked, ready, settled in for the night. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. See you next time.